Hello, Facebook Live. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Hope everybody had a awesome Christmas. A Merry Christmas. Happy holidays to everybody. Can we believe it is New Year's week? I can't believe it. It's unbelievable to me that the year has gone by so quickly. I don't know if it's gone quickly for you, but it seems very quick for me. So thank you, everybody, for watching me. I appreciate it. If you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Give me a thumbs up so I know you're here. Thanks, everybody. Hello, Sabrina. There's a bunch of people joining, so I like to give everybody a few minutes to join. Happy Monday. What a beautiful day today was. The weather today was so crazy. I went for a walk with a friend, and it started snowing at 8:30 here in Ellenville. And then by the afternoon, it felt like it was 50 degrees outside. Unbelievable. The weather is beautiful. If you didn't get outside, get outside. It's still a little warm out. Get some walking in. Get outside and enjoy for a little while. I know it's supposed to get a little bit warmer this week, and then maybe rain or snow by the end of the week. I'm not sure what the weather forecast is, but get out there and enjoy this December weather. So end of the year is coming, crazy, unbelievable. I can't believe it. We have an awesome deal for New Year's Eve. It's our New Year's Eve party box. We have sold so many of these. We might have to cut it off soon. So if you want your party box, make sure you call ASAP. We are available for pickup tonight. We do have a couple of tables available, not many tonight. We have our wine dinner, which is sold out, and we have a few reservations. So you can take out. Takeout is always available. And tonight's our new special just started. So $9.99 pulled pork sandwich with roasted potatoes on the side. And we have our buy one, get one free wings tonight. And then our New Year's Eve package, our party box, is available. It's $150. You call ahead and place that order. It includes, let's see, you have a choice of a red or white wine, a bottle, a Tempranillo or Chardonnay, a fig and peach punch, or a Manhattan, Jamie's Manhattan. You get a cheese plate and a lobster mac and cheese. You have a choice of 2 entrees, salmon, ribeye, or polenta skillet. And then you have for dessert, cheesecake and chocolate torte. And then on New Year's morning, you have donuts, a half dozen donuts, bagels, choice of everything or sesame, cream cheese. I know there's more in there. Oh, our wild salmon that just came in, the wild smoked salmon, and a mimosa kit. So, and then a Prosecco rosé to toast with at midnight. So it's an awesome deal. $150 a person, $150 for 2 people to eat. Crazy deal. Get in on it. Pick it up anytime after 2 on Thursday. And that is our insane New Year's deal. So today I'm going to be making a peppered Negroni. A Negroni is equal parts, typically gin, sweet vermouth, and Campari. As you know, if you've been following me, first let me just say thank you to everybody for watching. I appreciate everybody's support. Hello, Dwayne. Hello, Sabrina. Hello, Robert. Hello, Christina. So thank you. Give me a thumbs up if you're watching me live. I always like to see who's on. So we use this Zamaro. It's a German Zamaro, very similar to Campari. We have a sweet vermouth and this awesome Uncle Val's pepper gin. So I'm gonna put some ice in my shaker. Oop, I don't have any ice. Maybe Cody can grab me some ice in my shaker. That would be awesome, and maybe you can put some ice in my bin for me. Sorry about that. Sometimes I'm more prepared than others. But a Negroni is equal parts gin, sweet vermouth, and Campari, so 1 ounce of each. And I'm going to add that here to my shaker. Start with my sweet vermouth. And 1 ounce of peppered Uncle Val's pepper gin. This sounded kind of cool. I've never heard of this before. I was just looking for recipes, and you know me, I like to just create and experiment and see how it turns out. I don't have an orange, but typically a Negroni gets an orange. So I added 1 ounce of each of these ingredients into my shaker. I'm going to shake away, so 3 ounces of alcohol. Get it nice and cold. I typically like my Negronis on the rocks, but I'm going to show you not on the rocks. So look at that color, it's beautiful. And typically I top it off with a orange, but I'm going to taste it without it. Ooh, that smells yummy. Wow, that peppered comes out, adds a little really nice, excellent. Thanks everybody for watching me, I appreciate it. Tonight is Monday, happy New Year's Eve week. Obviously Aroma Thyme can't do our big bash like we do every year. It's also our anniversary of the restaurant. I actually forgot about that. It will be our 18th anniversary, so we're going into our 19th year. Absolutely insane, crazy. Or is it our 17th anniversary? Nope, we're going into our 19th year. Let's see, our 18th year, I don't know. But it's our anniversary on New Year's. We opened New Year's Eve. Our first meal that went out was Christmas Day Soup Kitchen back in 2003. Before we even opened the doors of Aroma Thyme, we served the needy, and we provided free meals, and we've been doing that every year. We served about 300 people on Christmas Day this year, a little bit smaller. Thank you everybody who volunteered. We appreciate that. Thank you everybody for your donations. That was awesome as well. It just helped us through this time and be able to feed people without having to pull out of our own pockets. So thank you. And that is it. Tonight is $9.99. Special is pulled pork sandwich with roasted potatoes. It is buy one, get one free wing night. And that's it. Hope everybody's well. Stay tuned for my Facebook Live or my Wine Time Live tomorrow. Have a good night, everybody.